Design 1.
Our design is called Ice to Water. It scoops up the ice and dirt from Mars's surface and then throws it into the sifter.
The dirt will fall through the sift while the ice chunks stay on top because they will be too big to fall through.
The ice will then fall through the heated pipe on the right, which will melt it as the ice travels down, turning it to water.
At the bottom of our heated pipe, there is a filter to clean our water so it is safe to drink.
Our heated pipe is powered by solar panels on top of our design.
Connected to the end of our heated pipe is a tap so that the water is easy to access.
We also have a tank to store our water when we're not using it.
We have tyres on our machine because this will help it to transport to its destinations.
They will also help so we don't have to carry our 3-metre design. We also have a spare wheel
in case one breaks.
Design 2.
Hi, this is the Underground Master. Today we will be showing you its function.
It digs into the ground with a sharp point and sucks up all the ice.
The furnace will melt it to a steam which goes through a filter which separates the carbon dioxide from the oxygen.
And then gets turned back into a mist that enables us to drink.
Design 3.
This machine is called the CO2 Mass Changer 606. CO2 Mass Changer 606's function is to turn Mars's atmosphere into oxygen. CO2 Mass Changer 606 sucks in Mars's atmosphere and separates the oxygen from the carbon dioxide. The oxygen flows through, but the carbon dioxide is frozen by dry ice and shot out like a bullet through holes. CO2 Mass Changer 606 is made out of hot solar panels and other black materials. This is how it powers. It is also connected to a long pipe which flows through into someone's house. CO2 Mass Changer 606 has black wheels to friction and grip onto the ground. CO2 Mass Changer 606 enables us to breathe and therefore support human life.
Design 4.
This is the H2O air modulator. As you may know, there is no water or oxygen on Mars, and that is why we made our device, to create air out of the carbon dioxide and water out of the ice in the soil.
NASA scientists are predicting that in a few years people will be going to Mars, and in probably 100 to 150 years after that, Mars will be almost identical to Earth, covered in water and the atmosphere filled with oxygen. And that is why we made our device. The battery can last up to 500 years, and the device is made of strong materials so it cannot break. This device was made so people can live safely on Mars without having to wear special suits or having to carry around like this device every day of their entire life.
Design 5.
Our design is a breathing apparatus. Its function is that it allows you to breathe on Mars. And this is how. You breathe through the pipe that is connected to the oxygen starter, then you breathe out the CO2 through the second pipe. Then the carbon dioxide goes through the diaphragm, which separates the carbon dioxide and the oxygen. The oxygen then goes through the rest of the pipe, then back into the human's mouth. Then the process repeats over. It is made of heavy-duty rubber and strong but light plastic. The diaphragm is powered by hundreds of solar cells which separate the carbon dioxide and the oxygen. Thank you.